DoorDash refund timelines have been updated for 2025 with faster processing times and new tracking features. Here's exactly how long you can expect to wait for your refund based on your payment method. The fastest refund option is DoorDash credits, which appear instantly or within 24 hours. This is why DoorDash often defaults to credits rather than refunding to your original payment method. PayPal refunds are also quite fast, taking only 1 to 3 business days to process. This makes PayPal one of the better options if you prefer monetary refunds over credits. Digital wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay take 3 to 5 business days. While not as fast as credits or PayPal, they're still quicker than traditional card refunds. Credit and debit card refunds take the longest at 5 to 7 business days. This is improved from the previous 7 to 10 days, but still requires patience, as the refund must go through your bank's processing system. Bank transfers can take anywhere from 3 to 7 business days, depending on your specific bank's processing times and policies. The biggest improvement for 2025 is real-time refund tracking directly in the DoorDash app. You can now monitor your refund status and see exactly where it is in the processing pipeline, eliminating the guesswork. Understanding these timelines helps you choose the best refund method for your needs. For immediate access to funds for future orders, choose DoorDash credits. For the fastest monetary refund, PayPal is your best option. DoorDash offers different types of refunds depending on your situation. Understanding when you qualify and how to request them properly can significantly speed up the process. There are 2 main types of refunds available. Full refunds apply when you cancel before the restaurant starts preparing your order, when the restaurant is closed, or when there are significant delivery delays of 45 minutes or more. Partial refunds are more common and cover situations like missing or incorrect items, food quality problems, or damaged packaging during delivery. Now let's look at the most common reasons people request refunds and see some real examples. Here are real examples of common refund situations. Damaged items like this broken bowl clearly qualify for refunds, as do food quality issues like cold or incorrect food items. According to 2025 data, missing items account for 34% of all refund requests, followed by late deliveries at 28% and food quality issues at 18%. Understanding these common scenarios helps you know when to request a refund. Now, here are the key strategies to speed up your refund process and get faster approval. First, report issues immediately through the DoorDash app while your order is still active. Real-time reporting gets the fastest response from their automated systems. Second, always provide photo evidence and be specific about the problem. Clear documentation helps support agents process your request without additional back and forth. Finally, timing is crucial. Reporting issues within 24 hours of delivery achieves a 95% approval rate compared to much lower rates for later requests. DoorDash has implemented AI-powered dispute resolution that now handles 78% of refunds automatically, reducing manual review time by 40%. This means following these best practices will get you even faster results in 2025.